To restore or add the missing volume icon in your macOS Tahoe menu bar on your MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, or iMac, click System Settings in the dock. Then click on the menu bar in the sidebar. You might need to scroll down until you find the sound icon. Make sure the box next to the sound icon is checked. Then click the Options menu and select Always Show in menu bar. You can now adjust the volume directly from the menu bar. Also, holding down the Option key on your Mac keyboard and clicking the speaker icon lets you switch between your output and input devices, like the MacBook Pro speakers or external headphones. Device names on your menu might differ from what you see here, depending on output or input devices connected to your Mac. Keep in mind that when you plug in headphones to your Mac, the volume control or speaker icon changes to a headphones icon. After you disconnect the headphones, the normal volume icon returns to the menu bar. If you ever want to remove the volume or sound icon from the menu bar, just go back to the menu bar in macOS Tahoe System Settings, find the sound icon, and uncheck the box. Here is another way to get to the volume icon on your Mac. Click the Control Center icon in the menu bar to open the Sound Control slider. To see your output and input devices, press and hold down the Option key before clicking the arrow to view the list of devices. To access the sound settings, click Sound Settings. You can now customize the sound preferences to your liking, such as play sound on startup, play user interface sound effects, and so on. If you are searching for free Mac apps to enhance security and improve your Mac's performance, please check the link to the tutorials in the description box below this video by clicking on More to access it. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please consider subscribing by clicking on my profile picture and sharing the video links with your friends. Your support will inspire me to create more videos for you. Thank you for watching.